What are you doing?
Don't worry about it. Oh, come on. Why do you have so much crap in here?
Because that's what I like to eat.
You're gonna die if you keep eating this. Here, I'll just take out this.
Stop! Don't touch that.
Really? You're telling me you need popsicles?
They help me wake up.
That's the first thing you eat in the morning? A damn popsicle?
I've been doing it my entire life, so.
I could just take this out then.
No!
This crap is not even real food. Have you tried making a sandwich? I need this food for my diet.
If you can see, I don't have any ingredients for sandwich.
This shit is so bad for you. I'm not letting that in our fridge. Just...
What the fuck? See how much better that is?
Yeah, I get it. Just the food you eat is just so shitty, though. I mean, no, never mind. Here, I got you this. Strawberries, my favorite.
It's a nice gesture. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
I'm not sure if I'll like it, but thank you.
You know, you don't have to try them now. You know, there's a new place that opened up actually. It's right across the street. I mean, you can go there. It has actual good food.
They have hamburgers?
I'm sure you'll find something. I mean, I can pay if you want.
You'll pay?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
All right. I'll put this away.